for decorum and manners while at the podium or speaking virtually. If you do not do so, you'll be asked to step aside. Please state your name and address for the record. And we will start. Let me go ahead and I'll call.
Mr. Chairman, Mrs. Jessie, I have a point of order. Was it 2 minutes or 3 minutes?
2 minutes during the state of emergency, Ms. Jessie.
Thank you.
We notified everyone today that it will be 2 minutes. So I will ask that we have notified everyone. This is a state of emergency meeting. The meeting will be 2 minutes. Hold on. Listen,
I just received 2 phone calls. Let us speak. Told us 3 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes. It was 3 minutes. What we were told.
There's nothing in the email about.
And I have my emails as well.
No one was notified.
I spoke with Brandon or whatever her name is.
Okay.
And today it was 3 minutes. I second that motion. Brandy.
So we'll go, okay, so what we'll do is we'll do 3 minutes then, if you haven't been notified. And we'll start with Jesse Graham.